Friends, in General Knowledge Interesting Facts channel, you can see the general knowledge videos like health, global warming, important books, phrases, quotations, future jobs, English grammar, and so on. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel General Knowledge and Interesting Facts. Please do subscribe my channel. Today in this video you will see the State Assembly party positions according to 2021. Andhra Pradesh total seats were 175, Arunachal Pradesh 60 seats, Assam 126, Bihar 243, Chhattisgarh 90, Delhi 70, Goa 40 seats, Gujarat 182, Haryana 90, Himachal Pradesh 6.